Indian power sector has seen growth in various areas from fossil fuel to renewables, but one untapped potential is the nuclear till now. And now government has set a target to achieve around 100 gigawatt, which is a very ambitious target and a very good opportunity for the nuclear industry to grow rather. I am Santosh Joshi, Senior Commercial Proposal Manager for Arabelle Solutions. Arabelle Solutions is a subsidiary of EDF Group, the leading technology provider for the nuclear solutions under one roof, including the reactor technology. We are providing turbine island solutions, including generators, heat exchangers and MSRs, cater to various ranges. We have our factory in Sanand, for where we'll be able to cater up to the range of 1000 megawatt single units there. We are proudly associated with the Nuclear Power Corporation in addressing their nuclear growth towards 100 gigawatt capacity which has been announced by the Indian government. We are supplying steam turbines for ongoing projects of Gorakhpur and Kaiga. For the upcoming projects, we will be looking forward to supply for Mahi Banswara and Shukta as well.